Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We are continuing the build of the Don Smith B-17. We're shifting our focus now to the outer nacelles to get those completed, and then we're going to shift our focus to the last little bits and pieces that need to be done for the wing as well as the fuselage. So let's get started. Look at that, that's a bang right there, man. All right, friends, our wheels and retracts are in place and they just look fantastic. I am just over the moon and ecstatic. This was such an important and very big step. All right, we're going to shift our focus now to going through and getting our bottom wing sheeted, and then we'll shift our focus back to the nacelles, going through and getting those sheeted, and then the wing will be done. All right, friends, let's keep on keeping on. All right, friends, the wing is done, and I am just ecstatic with how it came out. It just looks really, really good. It's been a long road and a lot of work, but we finally got it done. What I'm really happy with are the nacelles. You can see they just came out just beautifully. Really nice. Now, if you're wondering why we fiberglass the center section there, it's because it helps to prevent the wing from folding up in flight. We don't want the G-forces to suddenly snap the wing in half. Now, our next bit of business that we need to do is to go ahead and get our wing bolted to the center section of the fuselage, and then we're going to go ahead and shift our focus to getting our horizontal and vertical stabilizer attached to the rear of the fuselage back there. And then after that, she'll be done. And then I will go ahead and give her to the owner of the airplane. All right, friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, all this week, we're going to have full coverage of the Joe Nall 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe so you can get daily updates, because we're going to be posting videos on a daily basis. All right, friends, more to come.